In today's video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot Microsoft Teams setup issues and fix the most common problems users encounter. Whether Teams won't install, won't open, or isn't working properly, these steps will help you resolve the issue quickly. Let's get started. First, make sure your device meets the basic system requirements for Microsoft Teams and that you have a stable internet connection. Scenario 1, Microsoft Teams won't install. If Teams fails to install, restart your computer first and try again. Make sure you're downloading Teams from the official Microsoft website. If the installation still fails, check if you have administrator permissions on your device. You may also need to temporarily disable antivirus or firewall software and then retry the installation. Scenario 2, Microsoft Teams won't open or keeps crashing. Close Microsoft Teams completely. Right-click the Teams icon in the system tray and select Quit. Clear the Teams cache by opening Run, typing %appdata%, then navigating to the Microsoft folder and deleting the Teams folder. Restart your computer and open Teams again. Scenario 3, can't sign into Microsoft Teams. Double-check your email address and password. Make sure your Microsoft account or work account is active. If you're using a work or school account, contact your IT admin to confirm your license is assigned correctly. Try signing in through the web version of Teams to see if the issue is app-specific. Scenario 4, audio or video not working in Teams. Go to Settings in Microsoft Teams. Select Devices and make sure the correct microphone, speaker, and camera are selected. Test your audio and video using the Make a Test Call option. Also check that no other app is using your camera or microphone. Scenario 5, can't join or create meetings. Check your internet connection and try refreshing Teams. Make sure your Teams app is updated to the latest version. If the issue continues, try joining the meeting using Teams on the web. Scenario 6, Teams features missing or not working. Sign out of Teams and sign back in. Check for updates by clicking your profile picture and selecting Check for Updates. If features are still missing, it may be due to admin policies or licensing restrictions. And that's it. Those are the most effective ways to troubleshoot Microsoft Teams setup issues and common scenarios. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Teams tutorials.